Hi guys, Firebricks here, coming to you again with one of these one-off videos. Today I'm of course going to be showing you guys, like I said, another Minecraft video. Of course this is going to be the biggest explosion yet, and probably one of the biggest explosions you will ever see in Minecraft. Anyway, but before we get in here, of course, if you do like the content you see here, please comment, like and subscribe. And yep, the best mocks of this week video was earlier uploaded, and then tomorrow we will have an NTT mock uploaded. But yeah guys, so let's begin with this amazing explosion. Anyway, so as you saw, I set up the TNT underneath, and then the second layer I decided to put sand on top of. It was this big massive block full of TNT and sand, which took at least 2 hours to officially do, because it's that big and that long. The pressure is like hundreds of blocks long. So yeah, hopefully it should get a big massive explosion. So yeah, it could be quite fun. I know an awful lot of you guys said you liked explosions, so I decided to give you guys some of one. But yeah, of course, here comes the explosion right now. So yeah guys, as you can see, the explosion, well, the blown up of all that TNT left a big massive crater. It's basically a quarter of this whole entire flat world. As you can see, the sand went absolutely everywhere. And as you can see, the crater is massive. You could literally walk for absolutely miles through this thing, and still not reach the end. That's how big it is. Of course, the center of the TNT exploded, and then from there it completely exploded out. And yeah, anyway guys, so that's going to be it for this video. Of course, I hope you guys enjoyed that big massive explosion. But yeah guys, that's going to be it for me. I'm of course Infernal Bricks, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.